Common thing between an entrepreneur planning for their startup, a CEO of a multinational company, a marketer, a journalist is that all of them derive their strategies and insights from vast amount of data. And this is where web scraping and data analytics come in. We analyze the data of various finance websites, blogs, articles, and social media presence to get the required information by gathering, transforming, and modeling the data and finally predict on parameters such as clicks, visits, likes, dislikes based on their previous records and trends. We have included a plethora of fields related to finance and financial technology, more commonly known as fintech, and inculcated them in the form of a web app so that it can be used by anyone, be it students or big organizations. On our web app, users can enter their desired organization and its latest market analysis will be shown. Find the latest happening on financial news on our web app and read about it more if you like. There are hundreds of hand-picked financial news sources that will provide you with the latest news. If you want specific targeted information about a company, its news, stocks, you can also do that. Here, in case of Microsoft and Tesla is shown. If you want latest and trending articles about financial technology explained in simpler terms and that are published daily, like NFTs or digital currencies, that can also be viewed in FinShots. Information about daily stocks can also be viewed and searched upon. Here, Reliance and Adani is shown. Anyone can also publish their blogs online on the website, and people can subscribe to our newsletters for weekly updates to the website. This is about the web app, and now the models that we have used in the backend. One of them is scrapping, which performs a major role in our project. For example, here we do it in the case of Apple organization. We derive various fields such as open, high, volume tags on its market value, and output is in the form of a pie chart with positive, negative, or neutral tags on its polarity. Similarly, sentiment analysis of social networking sites like Twitter or Reddit is done, and analysis in the form of graphs is obtained, which is then shown in the web app. Now, I'll be showing another type of web scraping model that we have used in our project. It will crawl through all these sublinks of the organization, and it takes time depending on the number of links present in their site. There are two types of output obtained as CSV files. One is the scrapped file and another is the keyword distribution file. In the scrapped file, the title of content and URL that was scrapped is present, and in the keyword distribution file, the set of words with probability of occurrence is shown. Now, performing topic modeling by assigning topics and subtopics to each URL. Here we see that a score is obtained that is the relevance of the URL for each topic. It has topics, subtopics, number of clicks, visits, users visited, and other such parameters for analytics. Through this project, we help provide process data to people so that they can carefully invest in finance. The next update for our project involves support for cryptocurrencies and finally deploying it on Google Cloud Platform. Thank you.